Shirley, you just came in to see Natural Foundations, and
Yes.
you are suffering with CRPS, and you said you suffered with it for the last 20 years?
10, but yeah.
Okay.
Between 10 and 20.
Can you briefly describe how that feels?
It feels like an elephant was standing on my foot, and intense pain. When the barometric pressure would change outside, it would cause intense pain, pressure, can't sleep, can't get comfortable, weakness in the leg.
Burning pain. When's the last time you had no pain?
Maybe 10 years ago, maybe.
And you tried a spinal stimulator and that didn't work. They took it out.
They removed it.
Now we're doing your CalMere trial. Can you describe the pain right now?
There is no
How does,
pain.
okay. How does that foot feel?
I can wiggle my toes and like spread my toes where it was a lot of pain and pressure. It's gone.
And how about your low back pain?
There is none.
Yeah.
Absolutely none.
CalMere is for CRPS, RSD, fibromyalgia, and what you have on the low back failed surgery.
Yes.
Thanks.
It's